another opportunity could be is a senior attorney or a senior-ish attorney who is looking to get out slowly or soon, but needs someone who can manage the business, and they don't want to, because they hate that. They don't want to do that. They're sick and tired of this. They're too old for this stuff. They just want to work on with their clients that they like. And, but they don't want to just hire a professional manager for hire who doesn't understand law firm, doesn't understand the business, and doesn't understand the practice. And in my experience, the managers who understand what they're managing and can do it if they had to, or if they want to, is probably the best kind of manager. And so it would be, if it, it depends on the opportunity, but there is an opportunity to me to come in, from my perspective, to come in and find a law firm where, for whatever reason, it could be any, obviously it shouldn't be the reasons that indicate that the law firm is slowly circling down the drain. But, for whatever reason, the senior attorney or the person in charge is no longer interested in being in charge and just wants to do their thing. There's a great opportunity for me to help develop that firm, bring it into the 21st century, or whatever you want to call it, and develop the business, but also manage it and take over sort of the less glorious things, and slowly take over the practice as well as the law firm eases themselves out. So the bottom line is, I'm a legal businessman. I do law, I do business. Yes, the ethics rules make my head explode every time. I have a number of opinions to the various ethics bars, and I'm like, it is what it is. But I have a consultancy, I have a law firm, and I recognize that. But the way I view it and the way I like to give my clients is the holistic business approach to the law and the legal instruments. And I would view that the same way to any opportunity. If there was a way for me to help and both make my life easier by getting more clients, getting synergies from client and lead generation, getting synergies for internet, as you were noting before, internet and all that lovely electronic stuff that the interwebs have imposed on us, as stuff. And thought leadership is so important, especially in what I do. But also just gets lonely. Someone to talk to who understands your stuff, right? I have friends, I have colleagues but I can't, it's hard for me to commiserate about stuff that's highly confidential and privileged with someone who's not, right? And it's so important. So, all of those things, and probably many